So identify the correct figure to complete the sequence. Step number 1. You have to first check what is the pattern in the given example. Then you look at the option being given to you, and from the options, either by eliminating method or by directly identifying the correct answer that should be coming, and then identifying the correct answer from the 4 options, you have to solve these type of questions. Now the example that has been given to you is first image with 2 triangles, and this 2 triangles changes to 3 triangle and a line. So what is changing, or what is the pattern that we are able to observe? One triangle gets added. So you can say the basic component, one component of this particular image is a triangle. So one component is getting added, along with that there is an addition of one line. Okay, now the question that has been given to you is 2 rectangles and then one line is there. So what should be ideally happening? The component, that is a rectangle, that should get added, along with that another line should get added. So you have 2 rectangles, instead of 2 rectangles you should have 3 rectangles, and then one line is already existing, you need another line into this. So 3 rectangles with 2 lines should be the ideal answer for this question. 3 rectangles with 2 lines, correct. 3 rectangles with 2 lines but on the left side. So this cannot be the correct answer. You have 3 rectangles with 2 lines again towards the left side, so cannot be the correct answer. And then you have 3 rectangles with 3 lines. Ideally you should be getting 2 lines. Okay, so again this is a wrong answer. Answer number 1, this is correct for this question.